Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can view multiple Excel sheets side by side. Currently in this I can only view one worksheet, that is the name with multiple worksheets view, or I can see this worksheet, or I can see this worksheet, or I can see this worksheet. This means one worksheet at a time. But what if I want to work on multiple worksheets and we need them to be displayed side by side so that we can get in data, or we can look into the data from one sheet into the other. For that purpose, Excel has also given us the option to do this. How? Let's see. What we have to do is we have to go to the view option or the view tab here. In the view tab, we have a tab of window. As this option is related to the windows, so that we have to go to the window tab. In this window tab, we have the option of new window. This new window will help us to create the copies of this workbook in which all these worksheets will also display, but that will be another window. So it will be a second window. You can create multiple windows. It all depends on you. How many windows do you need so that you can work on that you want. So if I click on this new window option, you can see here that this new window is opened. Now I have how many windows? Two windows. One is index match 1 and the other is index match 2. Now I'll go to the index match 1, and what I want, currently still I can only view one window or one worksheet at a time. Now if I want to watch or I want to see these two worksheets side by side. For that, what I have to do, I have to now click on arrange all. Now how I want to arrange? I want to arrange them horizontally, I want to arrange them vertically, or what option I want. I want them to look to be arranged like vertically. Then I will press OK. Now you can see here that one sheet is here and the other sheet is here. They are arranged vertically. So now I can easily see here that I have different worksheets, and I have told earlier that I want these worksheets to be side by side so that I can work on them. So now I have two different worksheets on the same window of the same workbook that on which I can work easily. Now if I want to find some data from this worksheet, I can easily add on this by looking at this. Like I can add here, I can whatever the operation I want to do by looking from one sheet and then put it into the other sheet. So if I close it, it will come to its original form. Now, these were about the two worksheets side by side. We can also create the three. For that, we need to create three copies of this window. One, if I press one, if I click it on it one time, I'll get another copy. Then I have to click again on this to get the third copy. Now, if I click here, you can see here we have three different copies of the same workbook having the same worksheets. Now, if I want to see them side by side, what I will do, I will again go to the arrange all option. Here I will press horizontal. It all depends on me what arrangement I want. And then if I press OK, I can see all the three worksheets. They are in horizontal position, and we can easily work on them whatever we want to do. Now we can select different worksheet for the different windows. Like this is one window, this is second window, this is third window. In first window, I have the worksheet having adding header and footer. In the second, I have the worksheet having the name switching hyperlink. And in the third window, I have the worksheet having the multiple worksheets view tab open. So this is how we can view multiple worksheets on the single window by using the option of new window and arrange all. So this is how we can view multiple Excel sheets side by side. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you.